Ohio has more cases of whooping cough than any other state so far this year. That's according to CDC data.
WCPO 9 News reporter Anna Azalian is joining us in studio. Anna, the state is seeing a pretty big increase in cases compared to last year.
Craig, Tanya, they are. And Ohio doesn't have just a few more cases than it had last year. Take a look. It has a couple hundred more cases than last year. So health officials are encouraging everyone to get vaccinated. So far this year, Ohio has reported 632 cases of whooping cough to the CDC. At this time last year, the state had reported 119 cases.
The uptick is a bit unusual.
Locally, Warren County is seeing a sharp increase. Their health district is reporting 14 cases of whooping cough in the last month. In 2022, there was just one case.
I think the main area of concern is making sure that we promptly identify and treat those individuals.
The Warren County Health District says early symptoms of whooping cough are similar to common cold symptoms. They include a runny or stuffed up nose, fever, and a mild cough.
It's among the more contagious respiratory diseases that is around, which makes it so hard to contain sometimes. And it also is very dangerous, again, for the most vulnerable, such as infants under 1 and individuals with chronic illness.
So the health district says if you have these symptoms and have been around someone with whooping cough, see your doctor. Health officials say getting treatment early is key. And while the Warren County Health District says it doesn't know why there's such an increase right now, it, along with other health officials, are encouraging vaccination.
The vaccines are our best and most essential tool of prevention.
Now, as we head into the colder months, another virus that goes around is RSV. The director of the Ohio Department of Health says at this time last year, there was a spike in both flu and RSV cases. Craig, Tanya, right now cases are lower for both illnesses.